Let's proceed to the conversation. This is lesson 6 for beginners, 1000 words. Please answer my questions and try not to use the subtitles. Are you okay with parking? Do you have a school near your house? How often does your sister or brother visit you? Can you play tennis or football? Are you meeting your parents today? What time do you usually go to work? What do you want to do tomorrow? What does your father do? Are you reading a book these days? Where do you want to live? And now write down. He speaks English very rarely. I can't ask her. Maybe she mustn't travel. Our mornings are usually very nice. Please, can you excuse him from the meeting? And now translate. Don't put it there. Sorry, I don't have time. She has very nice hobbies. Martin usually works at night. I don't want to drink alone. You must book a table. Why are they always so sad? Our car isn't at home now. Where are they going? She doesn't go to work every day. That's all for today. Enjoy the lesson. Bye.